Hey guys, welcome back. So this will be a very short one. We are talking about tuple here. So actually the usage is pretty much similar with list, but this one is immutable collection. So with list, you can modify the values of the variable. You are not able to modify once it's created. So tuple is useful when you are making something that is not supposed to be modified, like coordinates, or you want a set of something, let's say a parameters or a configuration for your game, for your app or anything. So let's say here we have coordinates and colors. So the difference between tuple and list is that here we declare it with parentheses instead of square brackets. So how do we access the elements is pretty similar with list with the square bracket, and the index is also starting from 0. So the output here is 10. So tuples are immutable. So if you are trying to modify it to 11, for example, for the index 0, you will not be able to modify that. So it is a good practice for us to adhere with the variable types with programming, because once our projects get larger, sometimes we don't want to accidentally modify something. Okay, that's all for tuple. See you in the next one.